Morning students. Today we are going to learn some more problems on transformations. In the previous class we learned the formulas: 2 sin A cos B, 2 cos A sin B, 2 cos A cos B, 2 sin A sin B formulas, and sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D, cos C plus cos D, cos C minus cos D. These formulas we will problems also done, some problems. In this class we are going to learn some more problems. So first problem for today's class: prove that sin ita plus sin 6a by cos ita plus cos 6a equal to tan 7a. We have to prove sin ita plus sin 6a by cos ita plus cos 6a equal to tan 7a. So LHS, what is the LHS? I am taking sin ita plus sin 6a by cos ita plus cos 6a. So in the numerator we have sin C plus sin D form, and denominator cos C plus cos D form. Okay, numerator, in the numerator we have sin C plus sin D formula, that is sin C plus sin D form, and in the denominator it is cos C plus cos D form. What is the sin C plus sin D? 2 into sin of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2, that is sin C plus sin D formula. What about cos C plus cos D? 2 into cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. Here in the both the sin C plus sin D formula, cos C plus cos D formula, C equal to 8a and D equal to 6a. In cos C cos D also, C equal to 8a and D equal to 6a. Okay, apply the formulas. Both in the numerator sin C plus sin D formula, that is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, and in the denominator it is of the form cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D formula, 2 cos of C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2, where C equal to 8a, D equal to 6a. So I will substitute numerator sin C plus sin D, 2 into sin of 8a plus 6a by 2, sin C plus D by 2 into cos 8a minus 6a by 2, C minus D by 2. And in the denominator cos C plus cos D formula, 2 into cos of 8a plus 6a by 2 into cos of 8a minus 6a by 2. 2 cos of C plus D by 2, cos of C minus D by 2, where C equal to 8a, D equal to 6a. So we have to simplify 8a plus 6a. Here 2 cancel. 8a plus 6a means 14a. 14a by 2 means 7a. Sin 7a. And 8a minus 6a means 2a. 2a by 2 means 2a by 2 means 2 cancel, we get a cos a. And here also cos of 8a plus 6a means 14a. 14a by 2 means 2 1 2 7, so 7a, cos 7a. It is cos of 8a minus 6a by 2 means cos a. 2a by 2 means 2 cancel, cos a. And here this cos a is cancelled. Sin 7a by cos 7a means sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta, that is tan 7a, that is RHS. Okay, it is the answer. This type of problems will come for 5 marks. Okay. So it is very important problem. In the numerator in LHS, sin ita plus sin 6a by cos ita plus cos 6a. Numerator is sin C plus sin D formula. Denominator is cos C plus cos D formula, where C equal to ita, D equal to 6a. Substitute in the formula and simplify, you get answer RHS. Okay. Next, homework problems. You have to do homework problems. First, second problem, sin 5a minus sin 3a by cos 3a minus cos 5a equal to cot 4a. Okay, sin 5a minus sin 3a by cos 3a minus cos 5a equal to cot 4a means in the numerator it is sin C minus sin D formula. In the denominator it is cos C minus cos D formula, where a equal to 5a, d equal to 3a. Okay, here also cos d minus cos c, because it will becomes a place. Next, second problem, third problem, cos 3a minus cos 5a by sin 3a plus sin 5a equal to tan a. So in this problem, numerator is cos c minus cos d, it is sin, denominator is sin c plus sin d. Next, fourth one, prove that cos 7a plus cos 5a by sin 7a plus sin 5a equal to cot 6a. Means numerator is cos c plus cos d formula, denominator is sin c plus sin d formula. Okay, next, fifth one, prove that sin 7a plus sin 17a by cos 7a plus cos 17a equal to tan 12a. Means here numerator is sin c plus sin d formula and denominator is cos c plus cos d formula, where a c equal to 7a, d equal to 17a. Apply the formulas and simplify, you get the required answer. Okay, these 4 problems are homework. Do the homework problems. Next type of problems, prove that sin a plus sin 2a plus sin 3a plus sin 4a by cos a plus cos 2a minus cos 3a minus cos 4a equal to cot a. Means we have to prove LHS equal to RHS. Okay, what is the LHS? Sin a plus sin 2a plus sin 3a plus sin 4a by cos a plus cos 2a minus cos 3a minus cos 4a. So we have to take 4 trigonometric sums are there. In the numerator 4 sin functions, in the denominator 4 cos functions. So we have to add. I am taking this a and 3a because no fractions has to come. I am taking a and 3a and sin 2a and sin 4a are together. So I am writing sin a plus sin 3a one terms, that is I am using the formula, and next for sin 2a and sin 4a, sin 2a and sin 2a, because if you take these two, sin c plus sin d, we will get fraction. C plus d by 2 means 3a by 2. Fractions it will also come, but it is some difficulty compared to this one. If you take a and 3a, no fraction will come. 2a and 3a, 4a, no fractions will come. Okay, I am taking in the numerator sin a, sin 3a and plus sin 2a plus sin 4a. First and third term and second and fourth term. Whatever we took in the numerator, we have to take same angles in the denominator also. So a and 3a, so cos a minus cos 3a, next cos 2a minus cos 4a. Okay. In the numerator sin a plus sin 3a plus sin 2a plus sin 4a. In the denominator also same angles we have to take, cos a minus cos 3a plus cos 2a minus cos 4a. So now apply the formulas. It is sin c plus sin d, sin c plus sin d, cos c minus cos d, cos c minus cos d. So formulas. What is the formula? Sin c plus sin d formula is 2 into sin of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Next, cos c minus d, cos c minus cos d equal to 2 sin of c plus d by 2 into sin of d minus c by 2. So in the numerator, first I will apply sin c plus sin d. Here c equal to a and d equal to 3a. So sin c plus d by 2, a plus 3a by 2 means a plus 3a by 2 means 4a by 2, 4a by 2 means 2a, 2 sin 2a. Next, cos c minus d by 2 means a minus 3a by 2, a minus 3a means minus 2a by 2, minus 2a to cancel, minus a, cos of minus a means cos c. Okay, that is next. 2a and 4a, c equal to 2a and d equal to 4a. 2 into sin of 2a plus 4a by 2 means 6a by 2, 6a by 2 means 3a. Next, c minus d by 2, cos of c minus d by 2, that is 2a minus 4a by 2, that is minus 2a by 2 means cos of minus a, cos of minus a means cos c. It is positive, therefore we get cos c. I am substituting here, it is cos c. In the numerator we applied sin C plus sin D formula, we got 2 into sin 2a into cos A plus 2 into sin 3a into cos A. Next denominator cos C minus cos D, 2 into sin of C plus D by 2 into sin of D minus C by 2. Here cos A minus cos 3a, C equal to A, D equal to 3a. Okay. Therefore 2 sin of C plus D by 2 means A plus 3a by 2 means 4a by 2, 4a by 2 means 2a, sin 2a. Next sin D minus C by 2, D minus C by 2 means D ante 3a minus a by 2 means 2a by 2, 2a by 2 means a, means that is sin. Next here C equal to next term 2a minus 4a, here C equal to 2a and D equal to 4a. So 2 sin C plus D by 2, 2a plus 4a. 2a plus 4a by 2, that is 6a by 2. 6a by 2 means 3a, that is sin 3a. Next sin of D minus C by 2, D ante 4a minus C ante 2a by 2. 4a minus 2a means 2a by 2, that is 2 cancel, we get sin a. Okay. In the numerator we have to apply 2 times sin C plus sin D, sin C plus sin D, and denominator cos C minus cos D, cos C minus cos D. So we got this one, 2 into sin 2a into cos A, 2 into sin 3a into cos A by 2 into sin 2a into sin A plus 2 into sin 3a into sin. In the numerator 2 into cos A is common, 2 terms have same terms, and in the denominator 2 into sin A is common. So numerator 2 into cos A is common and denominator 2 into sin A is common. We get 2 into cos A is common, that is sin 2a, it is plus sin 3a remaining terms. Here 2 into sin A is common, we get sin 2a plus sin 3. Okay. And 2 cancel, sin 2a plus sin 3a by sin 2a plus sin 3a cancelled out, cos a by sin a. Cos a by sin a means cot a, that is RHS. Okay, this is the RHS of a problem. Here same method, but it is given 4 terms instead of 2, here given 4. We have to couple 2 means I am taking here a and 3a 1 terms and 2a and 4a is 1, because no need to get fractions to avoid the fractions. In the numerator what we got, we have to take same angles in the denominator and apply the formula. Sin C plus sin D formula in the numerator. First term it is C equal to a, D equal to 3a. Here C equal to 2a, D equal to 4a. Next denominator cos C minus cos D. In the first pair C equal to a, D equal to 3a. In the second pair C equal to 2a, D equal to 4a. 2 times you have to apply sin C plus sin D and cos C minus cos D and simplify, you get the answer. And common terms will be cancelled out, we get the RHS. Next homework problem, sin A, prove that sin A plus sin 3a plus sin 5a plus sin 7a by cos A plus cos 3a plus cos 5a plus cos 7. Okay. It is also better to take first 2 and these 2, 4a. This and this and this and this. Here also same, 3a plus 5a and cos a plus 7. As a plus sin a also you can take. Okay. To avoid a fractions, I am taking any combination you can take, you will get the answer. Okay. Next problem, prove that sin square a minus sin square b by sin a into cos a minus sin b into cos b equal to tan of a plus b. You have to prove sin square a minus sin square b by sin a into cos a minus sin b into cos b equal to tan of a plus b. So LHS, given LHS, I am taking LHS sin square a minus sin square b by sin a into cos a minus sin b into cos. I am multiplying numerator and denominator with 2. So 2 into sin square a minus sin square b by 2 into sin a cos a minus sin b cos b. So in the numerator 2 is outside only, sin square a minus sin square b. In the denominator, if I multiply with each term with 2 sin a cos a minus 2 sin b cos b. Okay. In the denominator to get formula 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin b cos b, here 2 is missing, so I am multiplying numerator and denominator with 2. Okay, 2 to multiply this. Next step, so in the numerator sin square a minus sin square b formula, it is in the numerator it is sin square a minus sin square b formula, and here 2 sin a cos a formula, 2 sin b cos b formula. What is the sin square a minus sin square b formula? Sin square a minus sin square b equal to sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. In the numerator, sin square a minus sin square b is there. Formula for sin square a minus sin square b is sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b, and 2 sin a cos a equal to sin 2a. It is the formula for denominator. So in the numerator we get 2 into sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b, and in the denominator we have 2 sin a cos a, means this term becomes, this 2 sin a cos a becomes sin 2a, and this 2 sin b cos b, instead of a it is we have b, so it is sin 2b. So sin 2a minus sin 2b, you will get it is sin 2b, sin 2a minus sin 2. Now numerator is same, 2 into sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b, and in the denominator it is sin c minus sin d formula. Sin c minus sin d formula, what is the sin c minus sin d? 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. 2 into cos of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2, where c equal to 2a and d equal to 2b. So substitute the formula, numerator is as it is, 2 into sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b, and the denominator 2 into cos of c plus d by 2, that is cos of 2a plus 2b by 2, c equal to 2a, d equal to 2b, into sin of 2a minus 2b by 2. Okay. And simplification, we have to get simplified. Here this term is over. Numerator is here 2 cancelled out. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Here 2 common, 2a plus 2b by 2. 2 common means 2 of a plus b by 2. 2 cancel out, we get cos of a plus b. Here also 2 common, 2 of a minus b by 2. 2 common means 2 of a minus b. 2 cancel, we get sin of a minus b. Okay, 2 cancel, a plus b. Here 2 cancel, a minus b. Next is sin of a minus b. Sin of a minus b cancel, so sin of a plus b by cos of a plus b. Sin theta by cos theta means tan, so tan of a plus b, that is RHS. Okay, this is the problem. So here we did this problem. In the numerator it is the formula sin square a minus sin square b formula, and in the denominator to write in the sin 2a formula 2 is missing, so we are multiplying and dividing numerator with 2, then it is 2 sin a cos a is sin 2a, 2 sin b cos b is sin 2b, and here numerator sin square a minus sin square b. After writing sin 2a sin 2b and sin square a minus sin square b, and then you use this sin 2a minus sin c, means sin c minus sin d. Sin 2a minus sin 2b formula to sin c minus sin d formula, where c equal to 2a, d equal to 2b. It is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, and simplify, substitute in the formula and simplify, you get the answer. Okay. Do the homework problems and complete your fair notes, and if you have any doubts, clarify your doubts as early as possible. Send me a message and or call to me. Thank you.